Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at back at Numpy. I thought we were going to be able to do something with some graphing, but I realized we had one gap. So alright, let's look at Numpy as NP. So alright, this is powerful arrays. So alright, let's say, like the old way, we wanted to get a list of just fives. We could do it a variety of ways. Create a, we could go through and add fives into a list, and then do list comprehension, and still all along this. Well, let's see if I ran this. Numpy has a very awesome, handy tool for this, and it is np.full. So it creates an array, takes in the shape, fill with what value. So alright, if I want an array of fives, I do full, and I give it the shape 5, fill with 5, and I have a linear array of fives. Now let's say I wanted it 2 by 2. Let's do y equals np dot full. Then I do the shape. Let's do 5 by 2. Close this out, of fives. And I got it on my parentheses, and then I call my y, and here I go. And we're going to learn about two other next time, but we're going to utilize this in the next video because there is something very cool that we're going to kind of build upon, and that's what we do here. So that's one important thing for us to touch on. If you're new here, please make sure you're subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and also if by chance you're new and you don't know, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, because this is your channel. This was designed for if I was starting over, because when I was doing this, it was painstaking. Go here, go here, go here. Everything wasn't in one place, and that's what I had in mind when I was creating this. If I wanted to do over, I want you to have one place to come and find every single video, topic, anything that you're struggling with. So when you have an issue, you're not the only one having that issue. So please, please, please ask. We'll get to it, we'll answer it, and not only will it help you, but it'll help somebody else. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.